In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coupons on TEMU so you can save some money while shopping for your favorite items. Whether you're new to TEMU or just haven't tried using coupons yet, I'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring it's as straightforward and stress-free as possible. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the TEMU website. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. Once you're on the TEMU homepage, it's time to explore and find the items you want to purchase. TEMU offers a wide range of products, from clothing and beauty items to home essentials and jewelry, so take your time browsing through the categories that interest you. As you find items that catch your eye, remember to add them to your cart. You can do this by clicking on each product and choosing options such as size or color, if applicable. Then simply click the Add to Cart button. Feel free to add as many items as you like, keeping track of your budget along the way. After you finish shopping and are satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed to checkout. Look for a shopping cart icon or a checkout button, usually located at the top right of the page, and click on it to view the items you wish to purchase. As you move to the checkout page, you'll notice a summary of your order, including a list of all items in your cart as well as their total price. This is where we'll apply our coupon code. Scroll through the checkout page and look for the section labeled Use Coupon or possibly Promo Code. It's typically located near the payment or billing area. Once you click in this field, a text box should appear where you can enter your coupon code. Now retrieve the coupon code you plan to use. Ensure you've copied it correctly from its source, whether it's from an email, website, or promotional flyer. Double check for typos like missing or extra characters. Paste or type this code into the text box on TEMU's checkout page. After entering the coupon code, click the apply button and watch as the total amount on your purchase adjusts to reflect your discount. It usually happens automatically, and you should see the new total immediately. And there you have it. Your coupon code has been successfully applied, and you're now ready to enjoy your discounted purchase. Make sure all your payment and shipping details are correct. Then finalize your order by clicking Place Order or a similar button. Congratulations, you've just completed your shopping on TEMU using a coupon, maximizing your savings. I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tutorials.